Hello, everyone. Welcome to our evening ride. So, today we are on a night tour. We are in the city of Abuja. We are right here in Abuja. I'm not alone on this ride, so I'm with my friend, a very good friend of mine. So, can you say hello?
Hey, and I welcome all of you guys to our channel. Like Abuja's evenings are so very beautiful with the light and the wonderful buildings.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, look at the skyline. There is something about Abuja at night that just hits differently. It's like the city comes alive in its own quiet way.
Totally. The way the lights reflect off the buildings and everything just looks so calm, right? I always find it peaceful driving through here at night.
Same here, and then there is the traffic. I mean, I know Abuja has its moment, but at night it's like the road belongs to you. Everything flows smoothly.
Yeah, no rush, no honking, just cruising through. And the weather helps so. Abuja nights are always so breezy.
Right, especially now. During the cooler month, driving around like this is so perfect. It's moments like this that remind me why I love this city so much.
Check out all light up. No matter how many times I pass by, it still gives me that wow moment. The architecture is just stunning.
Exactly. I love Abuja. I love Abuja ride at night. It's lovely driving through. Oh, and there is so much symbolism and many designs, and it really stands out, especially at night.
And speaking of standing out, there's also Aso Rock in Abuja too.
Yeah, exactly. And the heart of the city, literally and politically. Driving around makes me think of how fast Abuja has grown. I mean, it's still young compared to Lagos and other cities in Nigeria, but look at how much development has happened in such a short time.
Definitely. In fact, when I first moved here, half of the things we are seeing now weren't even built yet. Remember how people used to say Abuja was too quiet, almost boring?
Exactly. I remember that, but it's grown on people. It's not Lagos, but there is something more laid back about Abuja's vibe, which is nice. Plus, like at all the new spots coming up.
Speaking of which, have you checked out any of the new lodges in town? People are really stepping up the nightlife here. I heard that many places have some live music on weekends.
Yeah, I've been meaning to. There is definitely more to do now. I even saw some rooftop bars popping up. It's like Abuja is getting its own unique night scene.
True. It's still not crazy like Lagos, but sometimes that's exactly what you need. Something more chill.
Yeah, for sure. Plus, with the way everything's so organized here, it's like the city was built to breathe. The road, the parks, even the roundabout seems like they have their own art to them.
I've noticed that too. Driving around during the day, you see all these roundabouts with sculptures or greenery. It's like someone really thought about the aesthetics of the city.
Exactly. You know, we always talk about the buildings and development, but what about the green spaces? The parks here are underrated. Millennium Park, for example, is such a nice place to escape the hustle during the day, and at night it's so serene.
True. Abuja's balance between nature and urban living is what makes it special. You can be in the heart of the city one minute and then surrounded by trees and quiet the next.
Exactly. It's one of the few cities in Nigeria where you can still get that blend of modern and natural. So, how is the ride so far? How is the journey, or how is the night cruise?
Night cruise is still amazes me because right from the time I moved into Abuja till now, each time I come at night in night, I still have this wow expression because Abuja really looks very nice at night.
Yeah. It's kind of nice driving through the residential areas at night too. The houses here are just as impressive, but the quietness is like you can hear your own thoughts.
Yeah, you don't get that silence in many cities. Abuja has its own unique charm.
So true, and there's still a lot more growth ahead. The expansion plans and infrastructure budget means the next decade will probably change the city even more.
Can you imagine what it will look like in 10 years?
Yeah.
We'll probably look back at this night and think, wow, the city was still developing.
Yeah, I'm excited for what's to come. But for now, I will just be enjoying this smooth ride through the city.
Same here. It's moments like these that remind me why I love Abuja.
Ah, so you don't want to leave Abuja?
I really don't want to leave Abuja.
Okay, please, I will invite you to other states so that you can see like cities like Rio, yeah, abakaliki,
Wow.
yeah. That is a bonny state. Even Enugu, fast developing. So I will invite you to come around. Leave this Abuja.
Wow.
I know Abuja is not boring like before. It used to be boring.
Yeah. Look at these areas though. Maitama, they say all these neighborhoods just keep evolving. Some of the homes and offices here are like something out of a magazine.
Yeah, the architecture has really stepped up. And with the number of new companies and embassies opening here, it's become a true business hub.
It's amazing how potential the city has. And with all the ongoing projects, like the new developments we keep seeing, it feels like Abuja is preparing for an even bigger future.
There you get it. Speaking of which, have you seen the progress at the Central Business District? It's crazy how fast they are building new towers and improving the infrastructure around them. Abuja definitely gearing up to compete on an international level.
For sure. And it's not just buildings. The way the road networks connect everything so well is part of what makes moving around easy. I wish more cities had this level of planning.
I'm actually enjoying the ride. Yeah, it's really lovely going out at night. And
Exactly.
yeah, in Abuja. But there are some cities that you go like this and you're like, what is this? Yeah. Yeah, I think Imo State, Owerri, yeah, there's some part of Owerri that there is no light at all.
Serious?
Yeah, they don't even have, some places they don't have good road, not to talk of street light.
Wow.
Yeah, so there are some places that you travel to, you like, wow. And like, see Abuja now, everywhere is light,
Exactly.
so beautiful. Ah.
I just can't wait for 5 years or 10 years from now to see how Abuja will really develop. Because I know right now, no matter how it's this beautiful, I know there's still much more to come.
Yeah. I wouldn't say anything about the government because currently I can't say anything about our government. But I know they are trying, so we hope for better days ahead. So, but talking about, we are in Abuja right now, we don't want to talk about our government, whether they are doing well or not. But for Abuja right now, we can see the development, the night drive is enjoyable and it's nice compared to some other cities in Nigeria. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? What do you think about this Abuja, this night drive in Abuja? Just tell us in the comment section about Abuja at night. Or have you been to Abuja before? What is your experience in Abuja? Anyways, that reminds me. Do I really need to say this one? The last time I visited Abuja, I saw during a night drive. Sorry, I didn't get to you by then. So during a night drive, one of my night drives in Abuja, I saw a lot of things that I don't know. I don't really know how to see it. I saw so many things that I wasn't really comfortable with, but it's common in many cities, common in many towns. You will see young ladies coming out at night.
Oh.
How they call it?
Hook up?
Kind of, not hook up. I don't want to use a proper word that they use in this channel. I don't want YouTube to block my channel. Okay, so already know what I'm talking about. It's young ladies that will come up, they will just stand by the roadside. So I don't know if we'll happen to see that in this video, but I know there's a particular street that they do stand out. So we experienced that last time that we do night driving in Abuja, and some of them even rushed to us.
Wow.
When we were driving past, then they were thinking that maybe we are customer kind of. So, and So it was just pathetic anyways. But it's common. It's a common thing that you can find in town, city developed cities like this. So I don't know if you have had any experience with a night drive when you go out. Do you have any experience seeing them?
Yeah, and each time I come out at night and I see these ladies, it actually pains my heart because they come out at night and then they get to do things that they're not even proud of. And then when they come out, it's not that they like it, but then they're just doing it because they want to help their family. Then it just pains my heart.
Are you sure it's all of them that help there? It actually, some actually do it for fun and for money.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm not sure it's all that is about helping their family. And you know, one day, especially this Abuja, you know, you have your child. Where do you stay? I'm staying in Abuja. I'm living in Abuja. What do you do? I'm a fashion designer or something that we just mentioned, not knowing that they are doing one sort of business at night.
Yeah.
So I don't know. So currently, where we are now is Obi Kubana's Club Road. Okay, so that's the club by your right hand side. That's the Obi Kubana nightclub, but we won't get inside. So, you know, some of them will get to live up, they have to pay house rent, they want to feel among, you see them doing. So I'm just trying to counter the part that you say that are helping their families. Not all of them are doing it for families.
Although the same, it just pains my heart each time I see them.
Okay, so I don't know if as we are driving through, we'll get to see, but there's a particular street that they used to stay, but if we get to those sides anyways, but I don't want to see them. But if we get to see them, it's fine. We'll still show in this channel. So here the road is just very fine. The night drive is nice, it's lovely.
And one thing I love about this is the weather. The weather is just so beautiful.
Yes. Compared to some cities that are very hot, like Makurdi. Makurdi is hot. But here the weather is mild, it's enjoyable, it's nice.
Exactly.
Yeah. I don't know if I will be able to go back home. I really love this crew. I love this movement.
Abuja is just really fun and just very relaxing at night. What's in the daytime also?
Daytime it gets busy. People move, regular movement here and there. People rushing to work and all that. Yeah. But I think I love the evening ride. It's a bit calm compared to daytime.
I prefer it too.
Daytime it gets busier. You see people driving as if they are chasing them, trying to catch up with time. Also, we are still here, and mind you, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to our channel. We do traveling vlog. We travel, we tell stories about places. We tell stories about places that you have not been to. Yeah, maybe you have been to the place, but you have not gotten to the interior part. Sometimes you get into the interior of the town to tell stories about the town, so you don't miss out of our latest videos. So click on the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to this channel, so that anytime we drop a new video you can be notified. And if you have not liked this video, please, while watching, give us a thumb up, like this video, and remember to share this video. Share if you like it, and if you can also support us. We do traveling and it's all about spending money. Let me just put it that way, because you have to put in money before you can travel. So you can also support us. Nothing is too small. You can support us. You can give us a support by maybe sponsoring or anything. It will go a long way to give us a boost to keep us moving. So let's not forget that we are in Abuja. But it's been a great night cruising to Abuja and seeing it all from a different perspective.
Definitely. Can't wait to do this again sometime. Night drives are the best way to unwind.
Yeah, for sure. We should be doing this often, right?
I can't wait. It's always nice having a ride with you, Yupi. Thanks for the opportunity.
The pleasure is mine. Thanks for always coming through.
Anytime.
All right, let's wrap it up. Thanks for always coming through.
Anytime. Until the next adventure. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, so you don't miss out in our next adventure.
Exactly. Please do well to give us a thumb up by liking this video and share to your family, to your friends. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button so that you can be notified anytime we drop our next video. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Bye.